Welcome to Al's Rifle Channel. Today we got the TCR22 with the Ohhunt 4x32 scope. It's my birthday today, and I got surprised with the gift of a awesome looking scope, and so far I've been running it and it's been going pretty good. It's not too bad. It illuminates perfectly, and yeah, most of all, we're actually hitting some steel out here on National Range Day. You know, and then especially nowadays, you really gotta enjoy being able to even get out and be able to just do some plinking. With that said, let's see how this goes. Nice. Not bad at all. Not my greatest, but definitely not my worst. Alright, let's see how this goes with 10 rounds. First 5, we'll just try and hit what we left off with. And then after that, we'll see how it is on rapid fire. There we go. It's a lot prettier when they're all down. Not bad at all. I could have did a lot better, but you know, practice makes perfect. And honestly, I am very satisfied with the scope. You know, for plinking at 50 yards with this thing, shot about 100 rounds, you know, and I cannot complain at all. This is a great scope, great rifle, you know, and a great day to be out here plinking. National Range Day and my birthday. You know, it's definitely good to be here for another year. And you know, if you have your PAL license, get out there, enjoy National Range Day, and you know, maybe educate some of those around you that aren't familiar with firearms. Maybe take a buddy and you know, just let people know the truth about what it's really like being a Canadian firearms owner. You know, a lot of people get the American laws and the Canadian laws mixed up, and we are very strict here in Canada. Even to get your provincial arms license, you gotta get a 80% and higher. You know, and then we abide by a lot of rules. One mistake and you know, you lose one of your favorite hobbies, whether it be hunting or plinking. And you know, the way things are going, I'm just so glad I got out here today, and I hope and encourage each and every one of you to get out there, bring a friend with you, and just enjoy the privilege that we've earned as firearms owners in Canada. Have a good day, everybody.